Roberta Joan Joni Mitchell CC is a Canadian singer-songwriter. Drawing from folk, pop, rock, and jazz, Mitchell's songs often reflect social and environmental ideals as well as her feelings about romance, confusion, disillusionment, and joy. She has received many accolades, including 9 Grammy Awards and induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1997. Rolling Stone called her one of the greatest songwriters ever, and AllMusic has stated, when the dust settles, Joni Mitchell may stand as the most important and influential female recording artist of the late 20th century. Mitchell began singing in small nightclubs in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, and throughout Western Canada before busking in the streets and nightclubs of Toronto, Ontario. In 1965, she moved to the United States and began touring. Some of her original songs were covered by other folk singers, allowing her to sign with Reprise Records and record her debut album, Song to a Seagull, in 1968. Settling in Southern California, Mitchell, with popular songs like Big Yellow Taxi and Woodstock, helped define an era and a generation. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.